Here are 3 useful keyboard tricks that you may have not known with your S24 Ultra. The first one is the most handiest feature that you might want to use, and this can be found under the AI button when you open up your keyboard. Once you open this up, you will find a new button that says Compose. This would then open up a text field that allows you to write about what you want it to write about. Anyways, if you're done with your prompt, you will then have 2 options to choose from, one of which allows you to manipulate the kind of tone that you want it to compose, and the other option allows you to adjust the structure of the composition. There are 4 composition options which are standard, and that for email and social media and even for commenting. A quick fun fact is that it adds emojis and also hashtags for social media and other casual tones. Anyways, the next handy feature is when it comes to selecting text. Now we all know that if you hold down the space bar long enough, you could control your cursor. But if you would use your other finger to hold as well, you will now be able to select a specific region or the text from the desired area that you had moved your cursor to. And finally, for the third trick is that you could extract text from within any application straight from your keyboard. How you can do this is if you hit on the 3 dotted option button, you will find various other options to adjust the settings in your keyboard. But in here, if you look carefully, you'll also find a extract text. This will then prompt you to allow access to your camera, and then you can use your camera to scan documents, posters and whatnot to extract them to your clipboard or the application that you want to use that specific text for. Anyways, that's it for this video. I really hope that you found it useful. Do leave it a thumbs up and share with a friend if so, and I hope to see you in my next video.